I missed this turn. I went that way.
Oh, my straps are super loose.
Ow! What the hell was that?
Oh, this thing is broken. Dude, you're broken. And then you finally take a left. Or this the wrong way. That was embarrassing, and it probably won't make it onto the film.
I was smart enough to tell Jeff that he's a nerd. This road is crazy. Cliff drops everywhere. Also, random fact of the day, these bushes to my right, they really hurt.
Eat it, Turbo. You're upside down anyway.
Then we smell.
We also smell. I don't smell.
I don't smell.
Neither of us smell.
We don't smell.